In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Nordvpn on Windows 10 or 11 in 2025. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresher, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process seamlessly, ensuring that you can get started on your secure browsing journey without any hassle. First, you'll want to head over to the Nordvpn website. You can do this by navigating to www.nordvpn.com/download on your preferred web browser. Once you're there, you're met with Nordvpn's official download page. It's designed to be straightforward, so you shouldn't have any trouble finding what you need. On the download page, you'll see an option to log in. Go ahead and click on Log In to access your Nord account. If you don't have an account yet, it only takes a few minutes to set one up, so feel free to register first before proceeding. After you've logged in, you'll be directed to your account overview. This page is your central hub for managing your Nordvpn subscription and settings. From here, look for the download section. It's usually nestled within the main navigation options, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if it's your first time visiting. Once you've found the download section, click on it to access the various options available for different devices. Since we're focusing on Windows today, we'll zero in on the option for Windows specifically. There you'll see Nordvpn for Windows. This is the one you want. Go ahead and click on it. This will trigger the download of the Nordvpn installer for Windows. Depending on your internet speed, this download could take a few moments. Once it's complete, locate the downloaded file on your computer, typically found in your Downloads folder unless you specified a different path. Now, double-click on the installer to begin the installation process. You'll be guided through a series of prompts. Simply follow along and provide the required permissions when prompted. This might include agreeing to the terms of service and choosing the installation location, although using the default settings is perfectly fine. As the installation progresses, you'll see the progress bar advance, indicating the installation status. In just a few minutes, Nordvpn will be fully installed on your Windows PC. Once installed, open the Nordvpn application. You'll be prompted to log in once more using your Nord account credentials. After logging in, take a moment to explore the application interface. It's intuitive, designed to allow you to connect to various servers worldwide quickly. You can now enjoy secure and private browsing with Nordvpn. And there you have it. A seamless and straightforward way to download and install Nordvpn on your Windows device. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips and guides. Thanks for watching.